I want to do a quick crash course on improving anything, okay, for anyone here. Step one is you do more of it. This is one of my favorite Hormozy frameworks. So more is just volume and consistency. Okay, so the very first thing you said is you said, I haven't been that consistent with it, but I want to improve it. The single easiest thing, like without us sitting here and dissecting individual posts and all of that, the single easiest thing, if you're posting one time a week, how do we improve?
Twice a week?
We go up to twice a week. And then when we're at twice a week, how do we improve?
Go up to thrice a week.
We go up to 3 times a week. And then when we're at 3 times a week, how do we improve?
Keep going up all the way until 7.
We go all the way until we get to 7 times a week. And then maybe we even go, could we do twice a day? So before we even read a single post, like this is the thing that is the easiest lever that you have control over. Okay? So does everyone understand? First, I got to do more. Then I got to do it better. So I'm like, okay, so I got up to 7 times a week, but now I need to work on maybe my hooks. I need to work on making it more actionable. I need to work on my CTAs and like driving traffic somewhere. I need to work on picking better topics. I need to work on naming the audience more specifically. These are all ways to do it better. But it's really not worth sitting there and going, all right, so how do I just do this better and better and better if you're operating with really low volume? Because this is the easier thing to solve for first. Okay? And then after you do that, you go, okay, I'm doing it as much as I can, and I'm doing it as best as I can. And then maybe you think, well, how do I do something different? Maybe instead of doing text, you go, I'm going to start switching to carousels, or I'm going to start doing short videos, or I'm going to start doing infographics. These are all different versions, right? So first, I think this idea is really important for everyone to understand, because this is how you improve anything. Now, this is the answer for you for now, is like, you just need more volume. But I want to push it one step further, because if we assume volume and we go into better, I immediately see, like, how do you make these better? Here, let me find a good one. Okay. So you can post every day on LinkedIn and still not grow your network at all. Here's why most executives fall into that trap. They're active, but they're invisible, because most of what they post isn't actually theirs. Okay, they share a bunch of stuff. It feels like participation. If you want to make a ton of new connections, you need to shift one thing. Stop reposting, start sharing results. Okay, not a bad intro, not a bad frame. Step 1, the first word of step 1 is understand. Understand is a very big bundled term. You're basically telling the audience, hey, I want you to take one word and immediately understand everything that I'm trying to say. Doesn't work. You got to get more specific, right? Share small, real results instead of industry news. Okay, that's great. But this is explaining like why that's important instead of, so how do they do that? Someone's like, great, okay, I agree with you, but what do I actually do? If I could summarize better, like doing content better, if I could summarize this, the whole secret is going from explaining why to showing how to do. Anytime I'm auditing someone's content and they're like, it's not performing well, it's because the content is basically just saying like, here's why it's important. What do I do with that? Okay, I agree with you, but now what? Right? Showing how to do is like, yeah, this is important. Now, literally, here's what you do. So if I was to rewrite this, I think you could say this in one sentence instead of, 12 sentences. I think you could literally just be like, stop reposting other people's content and start creating your own. How? You're a busy executive. Step 1, not like understand you have a lot to say. I would be like, step 1, record all of your calls in Fathom. And at the end of each call, take the recording and pass it to your marketing team. Send your marketing team this message in Slack. I just finished a call. You can find the recording here. Please pull out, 10 short tweets. Step 2, I would take all Fathom recordings and I would load them into a Google Drive, and I would connect that Google Drive to Claude, and I would prompt it. Like, you see how I am literally writing an instruction manual of you're a busy executive, here is what you go do. And what's the executive going to do? They're going to take your post and they're going to send it to their marketing team, and they're going to be like, we should be doing all of these things. Right?
Yeah.
But right now it's like, understand why. Okay, I understand why. Now what do I do? Does that make sense? Real quick, if you want to write online but aren't sure where to start, click the link in the description of this video and check out startwritingonline.com. This is a free masterclass I put together sharing all of our most helpful frameworks for beginners, like proven hooks to capture your target reader's attention, where to write online to get the most distribution on your work, and little growth hacking tips to build your social audience and email list faster. Over 100,000 writers have gone through this free masterclass, and many even send us emails afterwards thanking us for sharing such valuable information for free. So click the link below this video to check it out and make this year the year you start seeing success from your writing online.